To enable a Wealthfront portfolio, you need to start by creating an account on the Wealthfront website or mobile app. This involves providing basic personal and financial information to set up your profile. Once you have created your account, you will be asked to link your bank account to facilitate transactions and deposits. Next, you need to fund your account by transferring money from your linked bank account. The minimum investment amount may vary, so be sure to check the requirements beforehand. After funding your account, you can proceed to choose your investment portfolio. Wealthfront offers various portfolios, including tax-optimized and socially responsible options. So select the one that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Wealthfront uses a robo-advisor model, which means your investments will be automatically managed and diversified. The platform will ask you a series of questions to determine your risk tolerance and investment goals, and then allocate your funds accordingly. You can also choose to enable tax loss harvesting, which helps to minimize your tax liability by offsetting gains with losses. To monitor and adjust your portfolio, you can use the Wealthfront dashboard, which provides a clear overview of your investments and performance. You can also set up automatic deposits to regularly add funds to your portfolio and take advantage of dollar cost averaging. It is essential to review and adjust your portfolio periodically to ensure it remains aligned with your changing financial goals and risk tolerance. Wealthfront also offers financial planning tools and resources to help you make informed decisions about your investments and overall financial situation. By following these steps, you can enable a Wealthfront portfolio and start working towards your long-term financial goals. Remember to always do your research, understand the fees associated with the platform, and consult with a financial advisor if you need personalized advice. With Wealthfront, you can access professional investment management at a lower cost than traditional financial advisors, making it an attractive option for those looking to grow their wealth over time.